Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I just love how stylish and comfortable and warm this jacket is from the whole shebang. I was looking for a vegan puffer jacket because I'm allergic to feathers, but I didn't want to substitute any kind of warmth if I didn't go with a down jacket. This has been so nice to use in our rainy, cold area of the Pacific Northwest. I've been wearing it on days when we have a chill factor of about 36, and it's been keeping me really warm without having excessive layers underneath. I love that this is water resistant because, again, we get a lot of rain where we live, and this gives me peace of mind to know that when I'm outside, I'm not going to be getting cold and wet. It has kept me so warm and cozy because it zips up all the way to the bottom of my chin, and then I can have the hood on top, and it just keeps me really nice and dry. I think the length on this jacket is really flattering because it hits just on my upper thighs, and it has a little bit of shape to it in the middle as well. So it doesn't make me look like I'm just wearing a bag. I can still have a little bit of curves with it. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I got the size medium. I like that because although it is a tiny bit big, it allows me to wear layers underneath, which is really important this time of year. I really like the outer fabric on this because even though it's water resistant, it's not super shiny. It has a little bit more of a matte look, which I prefer. This jacket is so well made. It's warm, it's comfortable, and it's stylish. It looks good with jeans or a skirt. I just really like it, and that's my point of view.